Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro Gabriel Castromudio. I study computer science and I work as IT support assistant at Conauto, an automotive company in the south of Peru. I am an autodidact, capable, and sociable person. So today I want to talk about my daily life, my hobbies, my studies, my work, and some of my personal preferences. My daily routine. My day starts early because I wake up at 5:30 in the morning to go to work. In the morning, I usually take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, and leave home. In the afternoon, after work, I attend my virtual classes and do my university assignments. At night, I usually watch one episode of a series and then I go to sleep at around 12 o'clock. My routine is sometimes tiring, but it helps me stay active and responsible. My family's support is also important because they help me stay focused on my goals. My hobbies and free time. In my free time, I enjoy simple activities. I always watch videos on TikTok or YouTube, and I usually read comics or a book. Sometimes I watch a movie or a series, and I also like playing video games. I prefer single player and story based games because I enjoy good stories and interesting characters. Sometimes I also play online games. I usually play alone, but sometimes I play with my younger brother. Sometimes we play my brother's favorite games together. Reading comics is probably my favorite hobby because I really enjoy stories, characters, and art. I also like having some quiet time for myself. The only problem is that I don't always have enough time for my 40 activities. My studies and my work. About my studies, I usually review what I'm learning in class and do my assignments by myself. I prefer studying alone because I can learn at my own pace and focus better. I use my computer every day for classes, homework, and research. Sometimes I review my teacher's explanations before doing my assignments. I like learning independently and I love using technology to understand new things. My computer's role is very important in both my studies and my work. At work, I check servers and computers on the network. I also use my email and other systems every day. One of my company's responsibilities is keeping the systems working well, and I help with that. I like working with technology because I can solve problems and learn useful things for my future career. And personal preferences, my eating habits are simple. For breakfast, I usually eat a fried egg with rice. For lunch, I eat what my parents cook, like pasta or stew. For dinner, I usually eat some food from lunch or prepare a quick meal. I only drink water because I don't like soft drinks. I don't usually drink any soda or juice. My favorite food is lomo saltado, but I don't like lentils. I usually take homemade food to work. so I don't eat at restaurants very often. In general, I like having a simple routine. I love eating homemade food and I hate wasting time on unnecessary things. Thank you for listening.